Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the camera app, and as you can see now this device is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. If you want to set the camera timer, simply tap on this timer icon, and now the timer is off, but you can choose from other two options. You can choose either 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Let me pick for example 10 seconds, and let's touch the shutter button. As you can see, from now on your device is counting down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. And as you can see, the photo has been taken. Let's get back into the settings and let's choose for example 3 seconds, and this is the same situation, but from now on is counting down from 3. In order to turn it off, just click on the timer and click on timer off, and it got back to its previous state. So that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.